I've been hearing this loud noise when I increase my speed, and it's super annoying. Of course, I took a look, and of course, one of my bearings in my rear passenger side was messed up. So went ahead, did some research, super easy fix. I'm going to show you how to do it. So this is the way it should sound like. Smooth. There's a little bit of friction. So let's go ahead and pop this guy in, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I've lifted the car, and this is the noisy one. You can kind of hear it. When you rotate it. It shouldn't sound like that. It shouldn't sound like that at all. So let's go ahead and replace this thing. All right, next thing we need to do is remove this, and then we'll expose the bearing. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and use these M8 screws, and we'll screw in these two bolts slowly, and it's gonna pop out the disc. Okay, so there's these two holes right here and right here, and I found these M8 screws, and they fit perfectly. And then we're going to go ahead and screw them in slowly, and as they touch the disc, it's going to pop it out. I'm going to do about half a turn for each, so it doesn't. I'm gonna do half a turn each so you can hear it popping out until it totally comes off. And what it's doing, see, it popped out. What it's doing is it's screwing into the bearing assembly and forcing it out. Genius. Is it loose? Yep, there it is. Okay, so here's our bearing assembly, and it feels so bad. It feels so bad. Move this out of the way, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Hopefully I'll be able to get to them. Okay, so we're gonna use a 15mm socket and get these guys out. I'm going to loosen them off first. Okay, so I got them all loose. One's out. Two, three, four. You can see that encoder right here. I gotta remove that. All right, so I got it out. Here's the old one, here's the new one. New one. Like I said, it's quiet. There's a little friction on there. It's good, no noise. Definitely gonna hear it on this one. This one, the old one, you could hear that grinding. Horrible. Now, it wasn't too bad because it wasn't loose, but it's a good thing I replaced it. Let's go ahead and put the new one on. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put this thing on in reverse order. We have the new one in, and I'm about to test it out. Okay, I'm about 45 miles an hour and there's no hum, no sound. It sounds great. Thanks for watching.